With the Taliban assuming power in Afghanistan, many are wondering what this means for the United States' position in the Middle East. Well, a professor of Middle Eastern politics says it's a big threat.
This is not the first time the Taliban has taken hold of the country. The Taliban previously rose to power in Afghanistan from 1996 to 2001 on the back of the Afghan Civil War.
At the time, the U.S. supported forces fighting against the USSR-backed communist government. Some of those rebels eventually came to form the Taliban, which we now regard as an enemy.
According to the professor, Afghanistan is a key position for the U.S. in the modern day. He says the country contains more than $1 trillion worth of minerals, and the U.S. losing access to those resources as well as strategic positioning in the Middle East is a major loss.
Afghanistan is going to be surrounded by these kind of competing powers who can hopefully cooperate to calm Afghanistan down, and that a lot has to do with how Taliban is going to govern. But if that happened, the United States is going to be really cut off. If we were in Afghanistan, a peaceful Afghanistan, we could have some bases closer to Chinese border.
Abu Talabi also adds that based on how the Taliban governed in the past and their strict enforcement of Sharia law, he believes there's a high probability that women's rights and human rights will be set back in Afghanistan.
As of today, though, the Taliban has urged general amnesty and encouraged women to return to public life.